Revit provides a library of content that can be installed locally and loaded into your models as needed. As an alternative, you can use the Load Autodesk Family browser to locate default content in the cloud and load it into your models on demand. For this example, suppose that you want to add some furniture to the living room shown. Currently, there are no living room furniture families in the model. To load the required content on the ribbon, select the Insert tab. Then, click Load Autodesk Family to open the browser. In the Browse tree, select Categories to filter the content displayed. In this case, select Furniture. Next, to narrow the results further, select Seating. From the list of results, select the content needed, such as a particular chair and a sofa, and then click Load. The content is now loaded into your model, where you can place individual instances of each family. For example, to place a sofa, on the Architecture tab, Build panel, click Component. Then, with the sofa family selected in the Type selector, click the desired location in the model to place the sofa. Next, return to the Insert tab and reopen Load Autodesk Family. Notice that the browser remembers your location from the previous session. Select a category under Browse to switch to a different location, or you can click All Results to return to the top level of the library. Use the search bar to find specific families in the selected category based on the content name and path. In this case, type credenza to find a credenza for the living room. Select the credenza, and then click Load to load it into the model. You can also change the content library displayed in the browser. Reopen Load Autodesk Family, and then click the globe icon. Use this drop-down to select a different language and region to access content from other locations.